Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avelash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now. And if you are an experienced trader or if you have been trading for quite some time, then probably you can easily recognize these lines and you know what I'm about to speak. And if you're still wondering, then please watch the complete video. So first and foremost, if you look at the chart here, okay, this video will be a short one because the chart seems very simple. If you look at the chart here, then you can easily see that okay, market was in downtrend, but still whenever market was going down, there was sharp recovery from below, so which clearly signifies that there were buyers present in the market. As a result, we were seeing or we were witnessing sharp recoveries in the market. And after reaching this particular bottom here, there was a weekly support here. When market bounced from here, then again market came down from this particular level, and you can see that okay, market has been following this trend line as a valid resistance for the market. And in your trading platform also you can draw this trend line, and you can clearly see right now that this trend line is a very strong resistance for the market. So therefore you must have this trend line in your charting platform. Apart from this trend line, which is the resistance for the market right now, we also have a support here, because see, this was the first touch, and when market bounced from this particular levels, then we got the confirmation that we can also draw a trend line here by joining these 2-3 price level. So we have a resistance here, which is a very strong one, and on the bottom we have a support here. Clear? So this is a resistance, this is a support. And if we go to the weekly chart, in the weekly chart you can see that market is right now going up and the resistance and support levels are quite far away, so we do not have any clear picture from the weekly chart. So let's avoid the weekly chart and let's go back to the Forex chart. So the strategy is simple. Right now you can see that market is going up. Okay, so the chart is also very much simple. There is a resistance above and there is a support above, but the resistance is much more stronger in comparison to the support, because this resistance has been providing the constant selling pressure to the market for quite some time. Therefore right now market is going up. So my dear friend, wait for the perfect opportunity or wait for the perfect time. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So your duty is to wait for the market to come down to this trend line. So when market will be coming to the trend line again or hit the trend line, because right now market is going up, market looks bullish very much. So when market will hit this trend line, just observe the price. If you see price being rejected from above again, or if you see that market is forming red candles or price being rejected from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that this trend line is still a very strong resistance for the market, and you can short the market right away. And I have also marked with her arrow here, so you can short the market if market reverses from this trend line. Simple strategy. And right now you can see the market is going up, and considering the strength of this trend line, there is a good possibility that market will be facing the resistance and market will reverse. So if it reverses, then you can easily short the market. On the other hand, if market comes down, then you can see that market has been respecting this trend line as a support. So in case market bounces from here, then also you can go for a buy at this trend line, which is the support. So this is the support, simple, and this is the resistance. Right now market is in the middle. Do not trade in the middle. Wait for the market to either hit the resistance level or wait for the market to come down to the support level. Simple. And if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 65% retail traders have taken short position and 34% retail traders have taken long position. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So See, 65% have taken short position, and I'm also telling you that you should go for a shorting opportunity. But the difference is that they have already taken short position, whereas I'm telling you that if market reverses, then only short the market. So there is a huge difference. So right now they are in loss, and as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friend, do not trade like the rest of the people. Trade wisely and trade only at the proper levels. So right now your duty as a trader is to wait for the market to come down to your territory so that you get the best price to short the market, or you get the best price to go for a buy. And those things are only possible either at this level or at this level, not in the middle. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again.